In less than 60 seconds, ChatGPT is going to give you 30 different social media ideas. Welcome to this episode of The Insurance Buzz. I am one of your hosts, Courtney Weaver. Today, I'm going to be sharing a ChatGPT prompt that will give you 30 social media posts in less than 60 seconds. Yes, you heard me correctly. And now that I have your attention, there's some work that we're going to have to do. So if you are driving, what I'm going to give you are some prompts to write down. So please don't do that while you're driving. Just feel free to listen along. But if you are taking notes, we're going to get into it. We're going to go to marketing class. We're going to go to social media school. Are we ready? Let's begin. First, you're going to want to make sure that you have ChatGPT. So you can either go to chat.openai.com or you can go to openai.com. You can do the free version, the paid version, no judgment here. You do whatever you want to do. I will tell you that I have the paid version. ChatGPT is the MVP of marketing over here. So pick whatever you want, but that's where we're going to have to start. Next, we're going to have to write down some fillers for the prompt. First filler that we need to know is, what is your job? It's pretty easy. We all know we're on the Insurance Buzz. We're insurance professionals. You can identify as the agent, the sales producer. Again, makes no difference to me. The first thing that you need to write down, though, is what is your job? Next, what is the platform that you want to be sharing on? Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn. I'm tired even saying all of them. Pick one. My preference for you is to go wherever your ideal customer is. Is it Instagram? Is it Facebook? Is it LinkedIn? Where are they hanging out? Primarily, you're going to find them on Facebook or Instagram. So the next thing that you want to write down, after you write down what your job is write down what platform you are going to focus on. You need to know this because she needs to know how to cater these posts. All of these platforms operate differently. They like different forms of media. Pick the one that you're going to be posting on the most. The next thing, I want you to write down your words. So these are 3 things that you either commonly search for, are interested in, or identify with. So these I'm calling my words. So I want you to write down 3 things. Maybe it's that you're a mom with newborns, or maybe you're into golf or fishing, or maybe it's just some things that you're interested in. Maybe you are a family person, or you're interested in faith, or maybe you identify as a dad or a mom or a daughter. Whatever those 3 things are, I want you to write them down. I want you to call those my words. Okay, so 3 things that you search for, are commonly interested in, or identify with. The next thing that I want you to write down is your unique value proposition in your agency or the agency that you work with. So these are the things that separate you. These are the things that make your office and your agency unique. So maybe it's your location. Maybe it's the quality of service. Maybe it's your claims process. Whatever it is, I want you to write down what makes your office or agency unique. And you can write down multiple things. And what we're going to do is we're going to take all of these prompts that I'm giving you and we're going to put it into ChatGPT. And she's going to actually kick out all of the social media content that you need. But first, you have to make sure that you are putting things in there that you identify with, that you stand for, that you believe in. Because if not, she's just going to give you something very generic. And I still want to leverage technology to amplify our own uniqueness and our own branding. Okay? So we have our job, we have our platform, we have our words. These are the things that we identify with, we're interested in, we search for. Next, we have our unique value proposition. This is the thing that makes our agency and our office unique. Last, we want to tell her what tone we want her to talk in. So do we want it to be funny? Do we want it to be sincere? Do we want it to be motivational or witty or sarcastic or feminine or masculine or direct? What kind of tone do you want her to speak in? Because with this prompt, what you can do is craft the message that you want in the voice that you want to the people that you want on the platform that you want. I know that's a lot of wants, but in 60 seconds, this will eliminate, I don't know what to post. I'm having just this creative block. I don't have time for this. I don't want to spend all day doing this. All of these things that come up when it comes to social media. I'm going to put myself out there. I don't want to talk about work too much. I don't want to talk about it like enough. Like all of these, like, you know what I'm talking about. The things that come up when you get ready to post on social media and you think, is this even making a difference? I promise you it's making a difference. And this is an easy duplicatable form that you can do every single month, but this will at least get you started for the next 30 days. Okay, so I've given you the framework: job, platform, words, unique value proposition, and tone. Now I'm actually going to put them in the prompt for you. And this is exactly what you were going to type in ChatGPT. Now, when she kicks this back to you, I want you to remember that you are your own unique person. You are your own unique brand, and you do not have to take this word for word. I actually encourage you not to do this word for word. Use this as inspiration, because what she's going to kick back is 30 different ideas for social media content. You take that and you make that your own. But this will at least give you a jumping off point to have a month's worth of social media content. Okay, here's the problem. Are you ready? Okay. I'm a insurance agent. That would be where the job goes. Wanting to create 30 days of social media content, focusing on the platform: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube. I want my audience to identify or connect with my words. So that's the things that you're interested in, how you identify, or just something that you want to make sure people know about you. Make sure to emphasize unique value proposition. So that is what makes your office unique. And make the tone whatever you identified as the tone. Okay, so I'm going to repeat that again. I'm an insurance agent wanting to create 30 days of social media content on this platform. I want my audience to identify or connect with my words. Make sure to emphasize unique value proposition and make the tone blank, whatever you want that tone to be. And in less than 60 seconds, ChatGPT is going to give you 30 different social media ideas. She will write them. She will give you hashtags. She will give you a jumping off point. What I want you to do now, because I'm a big fan of action. We information so many things in our day-to-day life. I want you to take some action on this. I want you to look at that, all of those 30 days of social media content, and I want you to do something with it. I want you to post. I want you to create. I want you to use it for inspiration. But do not let the fact that you are busy, you don't know, you don't have enough time, and you don't want to spend all your time on social media be the thing that is standing in your way from creating your own brand online. It's the thing that sets you apart. It's how we're shopping online. It's how we're connecting with people. It's really our competitive advantage is showing up and saying, I'm a person that is here to help you, another person, solve a problem. So I hope this helps. Again, ChatGPT, you can use the free or paid version, whatever works for you, but go out and share some content. Share your brand, share who you are, share what makes you different, right? That's why we're all here, is to make a difference. I hope this helps. If it does, make sure, shoot me a text and let me know that you've posted, you've shown up, you've counted yourself in. 816-727-7610. If you have any follow-up questions, I'm here. Thanks so much for tuning in. Time and attention are by far our most important and valuable assets, and I appreciate you spending some of that with me.